Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Samanita and this is my channel Makeup and Beauty. So in today's video, I know you already have guessed it from the title that today I'm going to review and swatch K-Beauty blushes. I have received 4 shades from these K-Beauty blushes. I was actually out of city when I received this PR box. These blushes have launched in December when I was not in my city, and that's why I couldn't review it just after it launched, but better late than never. So today I am up with review and swatches of K-Beauty. So we all know that K-Beauty by Katrina is one of the famous brand, and recently they have launched their matte blush in 8 different shades, among which I received 4 of them. The price of each blushes are rupees 7.99 and you are going to get 8.5 gram of product. Now all these blushes are right now available on Nykaa online and also on their stores. So if you want to check out, you can check out Nykaa, or you can check out this video to see maybe you get your kind of blush. First, let me talk about the packaging of the blushes. So the blush comes up in this kind of carton box, as you can see, whereas the actual blush packaging is really luxurious. I really like this rose gold kind of packaging of these blushes. They are really sleek, like you can see. Along with that, each blush comes up with a mirror inside it, although it has no brush, but this is how the blushes look like. Due to sleek packaging, the blush take very small space in your stash. So this is all about packaging. Now let me talk a little bit about the blushes. So these are the natural matte finish blushes that suit all skin tone. These blushes are claimed to be high definition shades and they are claimed to be camera friendly. So let me first show you all the shades at first. So first shade that I received is named as Soft Nude, and this is the outer carton box, and this is how the shade look like. Moving on to the second blush, and that is Tickle Pink, and this is how the outer carton box look like, and this is how the Tickle Pink packaging look like. I really like the packaging of these blushes just because that the shade inside the blush just matches with the bottom color of the pan, and that is why you can check all the shades just seeing it from outside. You don't need to open it. So definitely I really like the colorful rose gold combination of packaging of these blushes. So this is how the Tickle Pink shade look like. I hope you can see, and this is one of the most beautiful blush from this entire range that I received. The shade Soft Nude will look flattering on fair skin tone, although they might wash out on medium skin tone. The shade Tickle Pink is one of the most versatile shade from this entire range because it is going to look awesome across all skin tone. Moving on to the next shade, which is named as Sweet Salmon, and this is how the outer curtain of the blush of Sweet Salmon look like. And this is the blush. Again, Sweet Salmon is a very nice color and it will suit from fair to medium skin tone, but it might wash out on dusky skin tone. The last shade that I received is Dusty Rose, and this is the outer carton box of Dusty Rose. This is how the packaging of the Dusty Rose look like. I really like the color of this blush because this is one blush that is going to suit on medium to dusky skin tone definitely. And the color, although is looking very light here, maybe due to light is reflecting, but in real it is little bit dark than it is showing here. So these are the all 4 shades that I received in my PR kit. Let me now talk a little bit regarding these blushes. The blushes are claimed to be high definition blushes, and that's why they are claimed to be camera friendly. Now these blushes are really good for both day and night looks. These are super lightweight. I hope from this way I'm holding the blush you can definitely guess it that how super light they are. So definitely all these blushes are very lightweight and they are so sleek, as you can see. All these blushes blend seamlessly on my skin. I have tried out all the 4 blushes on my skin, and one of the most best thing about these blushes is just that they don't transfer to anything. I mean, on a proper base makeup, definitely if you apply this blush, then it is going to stick to your skin and not going to transfer on your phone screen whenever you're holding your phone for calling. So this is one of the best thing about this matte blush. Now coming to a little bit of con side regarding these blushes. I don't know, maybe because of the winter or maybe just because that my skin right now is little bit dry, so when I was swatching all these blushes on my hand, I feel like they are little bit powdery swatches on my skin, whereas when I was applying it on my cheek, they just blended seamlessly. And if you watch my demo video, then let me tell you, I have applied the blushes on top of my foundation only, just to see that how this powder blush actually blend on foundation, because sometimes powder blushes don't work great on liquid foundation, and that's why you always need a powder base to make all your powder blushes work. But this one worked perfectly because I have tried all these blushes on just top of my foundation without applying any powder, just to see how they are blending, and definitely they don't enhance any pore or texture of my skin. As you can see, today right now I am wearing the shade Soft Nude as an eyeshadow and also as blushes, and I really loving this texture. I feel like there is no complaint regarding these blushes, because as I was having some doubt while swatching them on my hand, but that was pretty clear today when I was applying them in my demo video. But in all, I really like all these blushes, and definitely I would love to recommend you all to try out these blushes if you are a lover of matte powder blush. And that's complete my today's video. I hope you like this video and find it helpful. Comment below in the comment section. Let me know your views regarding this video. I am signing off. The promise to be back in another video pretty soon. Until then, stay beautiful, stay stylish, and stay healthy. Bye.